Want to create username on WhatsApp instead of sharing your phone number? In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up your WhatsApp username using the new username feature. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, if you are using Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. If you are using iPhone, tap Settings from the bottom right corner. Now find the account option and tap on it. In the account section, tap on username. From here, tap create username. Now enter the username you would like to use. Keep in mind that your username must be unique. So if it's already taken, you will need to choose a different one. If your username is available, you will see a green check mark. Once you are happy with your username, tap save to confirm it. You can also choose who can contact you or find you using your username. That's it. Your WhatsApp username has now been created successfully. People can now connect with you using your username without needing to know your phone number. And that's how you can set a username on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.